guys, welcome to my comedy act part 2. Well, there's not going to be a recap of part 1. You know why? Because this is not a serial, this is my comedy act. Welcome. So on with the show, I was walking to the bus stop to catch a bus to go to my office, and it was not my birthday, okay? But then I did cake cutting. How I did cake cutting? Not by my hand or knife, okay? I did it by my feet. No, my feet cut something soft and green and warm. Have you guessed what it is? Hold on, I'm coming to that. Hold on. Well, after stamping that, I really wanted to curse with bad words and all. But I didn't curse, because I'm a very cultured person. And that was actually droppings from a divine creature, cow. So, really, how can I curse? So, instead what I did, I tried to remove all the green stuff, using the road as a carpet, like this. And I was really angry. So, I imagined that all the people, if they would have observed me, they would have thought, that I resembled an angry cow, because though I didn't have horns and all, I was bending my head and, like feet and all, looking as if I was charging. And, well, then I, the effort pays off, and I was, at least some 60% of the green stuff went off. Then I went to office, I got an auto and went to office. I didn't feel like, again walking with that. Then all the office people were asking me, why I'm late. Generally, I get very, very scared, I had to make up stories and I'm not good at that. But this time, I was so eager in telling the story, my misery and all. I illustrated to them fully, In the morning, I was in very good mood and, I didn't expect anything like this to happen. But the cows and maybe a buffalo, they had breakfast and all, full stomach, full breakfast. After that, they might have belched or not, I don't know, but they gave compost. And then I stamped on it. And I tried cleaning it also, but it not fully successful. Still green stuff is there. So I had to go to the washroom to wash it off. I told them that, so please excuse me. So they were like, okay. They found it funny. So they told me to go away. But if they didn't believe me, if they didn't believe me, I get very emotional. When I'm telling the truth and people don't believe what I say, I get very emotional. Then what I would have told, I would have kept my chappal aside. I would have kept it as evidence, Keep this as evidence. Then go and get a magnifying glass, you take me, I buy a magnifying glass and give it to you. You examine the slipper. How much green stuff is there. They have taken a magnifying glass and seen it. But all those things didn't happen. Well, the bright side to the story is, what? I might have stamped on the green stuff, but I just skated. Maybe I skated, but I didn't fall down. So, all's well that ends well. Thank you for watching my act. Hope you liked it. Thank you.